Hi, my name is Renee, and I'm an appliance repair tech. Some of you may recall that back in June, I visited Procter & Gamble headquarters for a second time. On this trip, I visited their fabric care division, and I met so many different people who work on all different aspects of their laundry products. Not only did they explain how their products work, but they showed us as well, and y'all know that I'm a big fan of actual proof that something works. And because of all that, I am proud to officially announce that I am now a member of the Laundry League. I'm sure some of you are getting your typing fingers ready, so let me explain what this all actually means. First of all, what is the Laundry League? The Laundry League is a group of nerds, content creators assembled for the purpose of educating the masses on all things laundry. Yeah, basically P&G assembled the Avengers of laundry. The team includes, but is not limited to, me, an appliance repair tech, a professional organizer, a fourth-generation dry cleaner, and so many others from so many different walks of life and laundry-related professions. They reached out to us because aside from laundry and posting videos to social media, we all have another very important thing in common. We're all educators. We each have our own unique niches and perspectives in the laundry world, which, with our powers combined, means that if you follow all of us, you'll have a full team, a league, if you will, of creators who not only have years of combined knowledge and experience with laundry products and how they work, but who also have access to the people who design, test, and manufacture some of the country's leading laundry products. And keep in mind, P&G was founded in 1837. The company's going to be 186 years old in October. That's 186 years worth of data and research from P&G scientists that we now have access to back up our content. That means if we or you have questions about any of those types of products, we can literally ask the actual scientists who design and work on them. That's why I'm so excited to be a part of the Laundry League, because the focus is on the education and science surrounding the products. How many brands even do that? And now for the burning questions that I know are on everyone's mind. What this means for my content is now, not only will I be able to answer more of your laundry product questions than ever before, but if I don't know the answer to something, I essentially have a laundry hotline that I can access to find the answer. And no, this does not mean that all of my content is now an advertisement. Look, if I'm posting an ad, I will always disclose that it's an ad. And even then, I don't post ads often, and when I do, I always make sure they're educational. Because yes, if you weren't aware, creators generally do write their own ads. My content has been and always will be centered around education, even in the ads that I do post occasionally. This partnership does not mean that I am limited to only saying and doing what P&G tells me to. In fact, they've always encouraged me to share my actual truthful opinions. But considering I've been using their products for practically my whole life anyway, this partnership just feels like a really great fit for me. And yes, I can still talk about other brands. If not talking about other brands had been one of the stipulations, I wouldn't have agreed to be in the Laundry League in the first place. I can't effectively do my job if I can't talk to y'all about the products you're using, regardless of whether it's a P&G brand or not. And look, I'm gonna level with you. I know that some of you are not going to be happy about this, but if you're a fan of my content, you'll know that I value integrity. If I thought this partnership was going to compromise my integrity, I wouldn't have entered into it. And if you don't believe me, you're welcome to leave if you like. But for those of you who stay, I am so incredibly excited for you all to see what will come out of this partnership. And I am so appreciative of everyone who has helped me get here. Thank you.